dog bicycles. I have here the cheap bike build-off challenge bike. I had the entry on the contest. I ended up getting hurt and injured, so I was unable to finish within the time frame. So this is the 1984 Schwinn World Sport. I did some changes with used parts. So let me zoom you in and tell you all the things that I have done to it. Okay, on the drop bars, they were steel. I exchanged it for a used aluminum drop bar. I also exchanged the seat for a used seat. I exchanged the sprockets and crank arms. The original, I should say, had steel sprockets, and I exchanged them for the aluminum sprockets and aluminum crank arms. I also exchanged the pedals. I got the rust off, but I like these used ones better. I also cleaned the rear derailleur and the front derailleur. I also put a bottle cage on it. It had one, but it was broken. I put new tires on the bicycle. I put new what was it else I put? Oh yeah, brake cables and oh man, shifting cables on it. So let me tell you how much all this cost me together. It cost $125. That's including everything. Bicycle, exchanging all the used parts. So, trying to think of anything else that was in. So, since I'm on the road to recovery, I'm a lot better, or feeling a lot better. I have a Diamondback coming in my next video. I had to do some things to get it. It was in terrible shape, but well, I'll tell you all that in the next video. So y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And like I said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.